The Infinix HOT 50i has started the HOT 50 lineup with a bang. In my opinion, it is the perfect first time on a smartphone, great for those who will be finishing school this year and college students as well. This is because it has just the right price, design, and specifications. These are the things that the competition simply doesn't have. For example, the device I have comes with 6GB RAM, which is expandable to 12GB, and there will be versions with 256GB of internal storage. This is on top of the big display with a very high refresh rate of 120Hz with a punch-hole camera front camera instead of a notch. We all know that notches are very ugly. Hello there, my name is Dominic and this is my full review of the Infinix HOT 50i. I'll be doing a water splash test later on in the video, so remember to subscribe, like and share this video if you find it useful. The price of the new HOT 50i is 13,700 Kenya shillings. This is around $105 US. Let's do a quick unboxing. The accessories include a rigid phone case, 18-watt charger, USB cable, hands-free headset, and a SIM ejector tool. The screen protector is already applied to the display. As you can see, Infinix is always generous with their accessories. I have the sage green version which has this very smooth and glitter-like back cover. And these are the other colors available. Infinix has adopted these new cube-shaped camera modules which look great. They don't stick out too much at the back, so the phone is comfortable in your pocket. The buttons are almost flush with the edges. You can't even tell that there is a fingerprint scanner on the power button. It's very fast. At the bottom is the audio jack, mic, USB port, and the speaker. The other speaker is located at the top for a dual speaker setup. I have a sound test in the gaming section later. And lastly, the SIM tray can hold 2 nano SIM cards and an SD card. The HOT 50i comes equipped with an IP54 certification to protect against dust and water splashes. It also has the wet and greasy touch precision technology, allowing users to use the phone even when their hands are wet or greasy. At the front is the 6.7-inch HD Plus LCD display with a punch-hole camera. This camera hole has been utilized for the dynamic bar. It can display the music you are listening to, show the charging status, display incoming calls, among other things. It does this without interfering with the whole screen, by the way. The display is bright even in outdoor situations, and the high refresh rate was a shocker even to me. That is because at the moment, only mid-range and premium phones have 120Hz refresh rate displays. Anyway, this gives the phone that feeling of smooth animations that you can get on premium devices. When it comes to performance, the HOT 50i is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 octa-core processor. The official RAM is 6GB, which is a lot for a phone, by the way. It can be extended to a further 12GB by utilizing the storage. I have the 128GB version, by the way. These are the other memory variations of the Infinix HOT 50i. We'll just wait and see if the 256GB will show up in retail and online stores. That's because at the moment I'm only seeing the 128GB version on Jumia Kenya. I enjoyed playing simple games on this device. It's not very heavy and the speakers are indeed loud. For the gamers, you'll be delighted to know that the HOT 50i has a gyroscope and game rotation sensor as well. What about the camera? At the top is the main 48MP IMX582 lens. Below that, I believe that is an AI lens. Next to that are the two flash lenses. At the top is the camera flash. Below that is the bright flashlight that can be turned on from the drop-down menu here. It produces a more focused light. This focused light can illuminate up to 5 meters. At the front is an 8MP lens that also has LED flash. The main camera produces nice photos as does the front camera with selfies. The maximum video recording quality is 1440p or 2K at 30fps. Finally, the battery and charging. The HOT 50i has a 5000 mAh battery and comes with an 18-watt charger. In my charging experiment, I got up to 12% in 10 minutes, 33% in half an hour, and full battery capacity in 1 hour and 48 minutes. I honestly expected it to cross the 2-hour mark, so that was impressive of the 18-watt fast charger. The HOT 50i also features bypass charging. This means that the phone can be powered directly if plugged in, so that you can continue with your gaming or video watching session. I could last a day to 2 days with the same charge with moderate everyday use. While gaming and watching a lot of videos, the battery could last me a day. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and goodbye.